Okay, let's see how we can get started with Blazor for Kids. First of all, we need to install dotnet-tool. The tool it's already on NuGet. So this is the tool. You can find here some description of what he is doing. And in order to install the tool, we just copy the command and we open command prompt. Paste the command and hit enter. I already had the tool installed. Now, with this tool, we can register our API key. In order to get an API key, you need to go to BlazorForKids.Tool and log in to get your API key. Login is only accepted with GitHub, so you need to have GitHub account in order to log in for Blazor for Kids. And once you are on account info page, you can copy the command to register Blazor for Kids and just go back to your command prompt, paste the command and hit enter. Now the tool will check your API key and will download the latest version of the framework. And once he finish, you already have the latest version and the template Blazor for Kids installed. To check, we just use a simple command version and we can see the current version of the tool and the current version of Blazor for Kids solution template. So with this setup, we are ready to create a Blazor application. Now, in order to create a Blazor application, we have the three methods which are usually working with .NET application. You can use CLI to create an application. Let's see. So I will create a project from CLI. So just say .NET new Blazor for Kids. And the name of the application is my test app. Hit enter and the application was created and you can open in whatever IDE you want. Or you can go, for example, in Visual Studio, File, New, Project, and here you can find Blazor for Kids, and then you have the solution template on the screen and you can go next and create the project. Or you can use Rider, new solution. Rider founds the template and it's here in the custom template. You just select the template, set a name and create. And the project will be created. So it's quite simple to get started with Blazor for Kids. Something else, please look also in the documentation for what Blazor for Kids is capable to do.